Murakashi hails growing public confidence in ZiG currency. By staff reporter Vertical Bar, the 15th of August 2025. A senior member of the pro-government group, Varakashi 4ED, Derek Godu, has claimed that more Zimbabweans are now embracing the Zimbabwe gold, ZiG currency, describing it as a symbol of economic sovereignty and stability. In a Facebook post titled, ZiG and the Economics of Sovereignty, Why Zimbabwe's Midterm Statement Matters, Godu said the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe's latest midterm monetary policy statement demonstrated the Second Republic's commitment to restoring full control over the economy. He noted that the ZiG, introduced in April 2024, was beginning to yield positive results, with monthly inflation between February and July 2025 averaging 0.6%. He projected annual inflation to drop to around 30% by year-end. Godu also highlighted the stability of the ZiG/US dollar exchange rate, crediting it to solid economic fundamentals and increased foreign currency inflows, which rose from $5.9 billion in the first half of 2024 to $7.2 billion in the same period of 2025. He said GDP growth was expected to rise from 1.7% in 2024 to 6% in 2025, driven by investments in agriculture, mining, manufacturing, and tourism. According to him, the share of ZiG-denominated electronic transactions had also increased from 26% in April 2024 to over 40% by June 2025, supported by improved cash circulation. Foreign currency reserves reportedly doubled from $285 million in April 2024 to over $730 million by June 2025. Godu said these developments reflected a broader confidence in the ZiG among businesses, industry, and civil society. The ZiG is more than a currency. It is a statement of intent, a symbol of restored confidence, and a tool for national self-determination, he concluded. Follow us on WhatsApp for more updates.